Good.
Good. Are you good? Are you good? Yeah. You good? Yeah. 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 Tell me about it.
It's like, oh, shucks.
Tell me about it. Yeah. Tell me all about it. You got some stories to tell, don't you? Yeah, you do, don't you? Yeah? Are you good? Are you good? Yeah? Are you good? Huh? Huh? You got me another one? Huh? You got some more for me? Yeah. Uh-oh. Good. Yeah. You can tell me some stories, huh? I know y'all always got plenty of them to tell. Say, you can't understand me, but I know what I'm talking about. Yeah. Tell me about it. Yeah? Really? You think so? Huh? You think so? Huh? Is that the way it works? Hmm? Yeah? Boy, you just going at it. You got plenty to say, don't you?
You can be a baby now.
I've discovered since yesterday that I can talk.
Oh! Oh, no.
So you okay?
Oh, yeah.
How long did it say it'd take it to heal?
Say,
They didn't say, but they said it should be soon.
you haven't hardly been able to talk at all. Now you got all kinds of stuff to talk about, don't you? Yeah. Yeah. You got plenty to say now, huh? Really?
So you can hear it's still swollen. She's a
Yeah.
lot better than she was. Huh, kiddo? Hi, kiddo. It's like, what is that thing?
Hey, girl.
Hi, Tinker. Hi, Tinker.
She did that a while ago. She was smiling and everything.